Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webull app for beginners. First, download the Webull app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll need to provide some personal information and link a bank account. After your account is approved, you can easily fund it with an initial deposit, often starting with as little as $100 to begin your investing journey. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the app's layout. The bottom navigation bar provides quick access to key sections like markets, watch list, and trade. Use the search icon, typically a magnifying glass, to find specific stocks or exchange-traded funds. On a stock's detail page, you'll find real-time quotes, charts, news, and analyst ratings, helping you make informed decisions before investing. Ready to place a trade? After researching a stock, tap the Trade button. You'll then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a price. Enter the number of shares you wish to buy or sell. Always double-check all the details on the confirmation screen before submitting your order. It's a straightforward process once you understand the options. Keeping an eye on your investments is crucial. The Account tab provides a comprehensive overview of your portfolio's performance, including gains and losses. You can also set up custom price alerts for stocks you're watching, ensuring you don't miss key movements. Additionally, your account statements and trade history are readily available for review, helping you track your financial progress over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.